Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are having an amazing day. So as you guys can see, I'm in the corridor and I'm going to McDonald's because I'm very hungry and I decided to just vlog for you guys today. So yeah, and then I was just watching that tasty video in which they make a 2-minute cookie. So I'm gonna make that today and yeah. Let's get this day started, guys. So I also have Toto with me. Toto got his hairs off. Toto got shaved, but he still looks cute. Anyways, so we're gonna go and have fun. Alright, so first I decided to go to the grocery so that we can get stuff for making the cookies. And we're going there. It's really hot out here and yeah, we're just gonna go there and yeah. Oh, it's windy. So we're finally in the grocery and now we're gonna get our stuff and yeah. So the first thing we're gonna get is the vanilla essence and yeah, then we're gonna get the milk. And now we're gonna get this Milky Bar because they don't have chocolate chips and they don't have any other chocolate, so we're gonna get this Galaxy caramel chocolate and this all-purpose flour because it's very important for making cookies. And yeah, we are done. Alright, so we got our stuff. So instead of Milky Bar, we got this instead, Galaxy white chocolate. I think this is better, so we got this and now we're gonna go to McDonald's, eat something, and then we're gonna go back home and make cookies. So yeah, so we are finally here in McDonald's and now we are gonna get some food and take it home and go eat there and yeah, and we'll make some cookies. So yeah, so we're waiting for our order. Till the time we get our order, we're just gonna play. I mean, I'm not gonna play, Toto is gonna play. So yeah, so Toto is in the kids area and playing and I'm just waiting for my order to come. And yeah, this place is really nice. Like, I like this McDonald's, but it's really hot outside. I'm sweating. Like, I'm so excited to make the cookies for you guys. I mean, yeah. Toto? So we got our McDonald's and we're going home and yeah, gonna eat. I'm so hungry, I didn't eat anything from the morning. I was so tired and yay, we're just going back home and yeah. So we are finally back home and yeah. Oh. So this is what we got for our lunch. We got some chicken burgers, some nuggets, and yeah, these are actually cheeseburgers. So yeah, I'm gonna eat this. So I'm just eating. Toto? He wants me to eat first. So yeah, after this we're gonna make cookies. So Toto, you want? Aww, baby, that's not how you eat, baby. Ooh, baby, love you, baby. Aww, you see? Baby, give me. Baby, give me now. Baby is good, baby. My baby. Alright guys, so today we're gonna make the 2 minutes cookie. I have this recipe from Tasty so you can check out their page. And yeah, so the first thing we have to do is take some softened butter. So we're gonna take this one. Take your knife and I think this much. Alright, so now we're gonna take the sugar. We're gonna take 4 tablespoons. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and yeah. We'll just mix it. Add some milk because it can be hard. So we're just gonna take a little bit. I'm not actually measuring it. I'm just gonna mix it. And it's getting smoother. We're gonna add some vanilla essence. And we're gonna take 1 teaspoon. My god, it smells so good. Can I just put the whole thing? We will just take 1 teaspoon. And yeah, I love this. Can I add some more? A little bit. Like, okay, whatever. Now it smells good. You're baking something. Guys, if this recipe actually works, then I'm gonna make cookies every single day now. 2 minutes? Who doesn't have 2 minutes? Ooh. But we are just here to check if it actually works or, you know. So yeah. We're gonna add 1 egg. Okay, I'm a bit nervous because whenever I crack egg, the shell gets inside, but we're gonna take a deep breath and oh, okay, we cracked the egg. We're gonna keep this here. Use your hands because we don't want to mix it. Okay. It started to look good. We're just gonna whisk it until it's well combined. So just mix it, and yeah, we're gonna take the all-purpose flour and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tablespoons, and yeah, just gonna mix it and bring it to a very nice consistency, like thick. It should not be very thin. Just mix. It smells so good. Oh, you guys, you see the consistency? Doesn't it look like the tasty video? So first we're gonna open the what is this? Galaxy caramel chocolate. So we're going to open this and break it into half for now and leave the rest half aside. So yeah, we're gonna take this and we're just gonna chop it like into small pieces. So then we add these pieces. White chocolate is my favorite and I love white chocolate. So yeah, again we're just gonna take the half and cut the pieces. Okay, this one is hard to chop. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut the pieces like this and direct them inside. And try to make it really small, but not as small. We don't want it to melt. I mean, like, Rest chocolate I'm just gonna eat. And we're gonna keep some for the garnishing. I'm gonna mix it. Okay, this is a cookie dough. I'm gonna put this butter on the plate like this. Take some cookie dough. Place it like nicely like this. Like this. Just cut the chocolate. We'll take this white chocolate, we'll cut it into small pieces and put it on the cookie. And yeah, just spread it nicely. Now we'll take some caramel chocolate for the garnishing and put that on the cookie, and yeah, spread it evenly nicely. So this is how our cookie looks. We're just gonna put it in the microwave for about 1.5 minutes. I'm gonna do it, and when 30 minutes are remaining, we're just gonna take it out. Guys, it smells really good. I hope and I wish and I pray that it's good and we get a nice cookie to eat. Alright guys, okay, it is a cookie for sure, but we'll see it in a minute. The chocolate is melted, but honestly it smells good. Now we're just gonna see if it's actually good. Alright guys, so we have this cookie. This is our cookie and this looks so pretty. Like, this is such a big cookie, guys. You see this? Smells good, but now we're gonna taste if it's actually good. And we have a glass of milk, and let's see if it's actually good. So yeah. I'm gonna see if it's actually good. Dip it into a milk. Guys, this is so good. I think I'm just gonna eat. Anyways. So guys, this was it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed, and do try this recipe and tag me. And it's very good. I was so excited to try out this recipe. I was like, does it even work? Because you cannot make this kind of stuff in microwave, and now I'm so happy that you can actually make it. So I hope you enjoyed my video, and if you liked it, thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and turn on your post notifications so that you can get notified every time I post a new video. And yeah, I had so much fun making this. I know there's a lot of mess I need to clean, but it was definitely worth it, and I think this cookie is very delicious. And yeah, thank you so much. Love you all so much.